Hello, I'm Carrie and welcome to the Kindred Way. Today we're going to vacuum seal flour. Now I buy mine in a 25-pound bag, so I have to divide it. I also put this bag in a chest freezer for 5 days or more to kill any bugs or weevils. I know my grandmother used to put gum in her flour to keep the bugs and the weevils away. I've already done that, so now we're going to vacuum seal, but you can't just put flour in a sack because the sealer will try to pull the flour out and you're going to mess up your machine. So what we do is we take paper bags, brown lunch bags, and you put 8 cups of flour in here. We're going to turn on the seal button and we're going to put our bag turned down into the channel. And when it's done, we're going to take it out and put our paper sack of flour in there. All right, it's sealed. We can open this up and there's nothing on the other side. So we're going to put it in. Now we're going to vacuum seal. This time, we're going to put it into the channel, turn down slightly, and it automatically knows to vacuum seal. And it is sealed. And it is hard as a rock. There is no air in there. This time I'm going to show you on this side how to do it. Okay, can you see this? So we're going to do this all over again. We're going to take our sack. And we're going to put in the flour, 8 cups. And again, this is a 2-cup measuring cup. Okay. Okay, we're going to take it. We're going to fold it over. We're going to tape it up. All right, flour, 8 cups. And there we go. So now we're going to get the plastic out, and for some reason, I'm not able to cut this like I'm supposed to. So I'm going to use scissors, and I'll figure out why it's not working later. All right, here we go. I'm going to press the seal button, and then we're going to take the end of this and put it into the tray, and it's turned down. There we go. And we just wait. Okay, we have that seal. Okay. We're going to put our bag in here. All right, let's see if we can get this closer so you can really see this. Okay, now we're going to put it in. It's going to automatically vacuum seal. All right. And now it's going to seal it. And there you go. And this is solid. There's no air in here. So I'm just going to keep doing this until I finish. I think this isn't cutting because I bought a different name brand roll than what goes with this machine because they're cheaper. And usually it works. So I'm not sure why it isn't this time. So press seal and see how it turns down? It automatically turns because it's on a roll. I want to stick it in, let it seal. There we go, it's sealed. So now we're going to put our 8 cups in our bag. Got flour flying everywhere. So because these bags don't have actual food, it's just a bag inside a plastic bag. When I go to use these, I cut the top right under where it's sealed and reuse these bags. Okay. All right, we're going to do it again. Here we go. And that's all there is to this. I just finish this, put them in a box inside my pantry, and whenever I need more flour in my flour canister, I just take this and dump it in there, and it lasts a really long time. So I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you learned something. If you have any questions, please let me know. I'll have the vacuum sealer down in the description so you can look that up for yourself. It does a lot more than what we just did today. So I'll do another video on that. But thank you for joining me, and I hope you enjoy vacuum sealing your flour.